In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Telegram verification code not sending. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first you want to do is simply go ahead and check another device. If you are signed into Telegram on another phone, laptop, or desktop, the code is often sent to that app instead of via SMS. The second thing you want to do is verify your number and country code, so ensure the country code is correct and that you did not include leading zeros. So for example, +6309 instead of 639. Also, try to simply go ahead and toggle on and toggle off your airplane mode just like that, which will give your network a fresh start. The other thing you want to simply go ahead and do is simply go ahead and clear cache. On an iOS device, all you need to do is open App Store and then click on your profile icon and click on personalized recommendations and click on clear app usage data. It is as simple as that. If you have any further queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.